Look, I get it. Maybe you don't like the hand you were dealt in life and you want to change how you look. You want to look better and feel better about yourself, and your boy got you. Today, I'm going to show you how to drastically change your appearance. Let's hop into this. 1, cut back on the alcohol. Bro, so many bad things happen when you start drinking every time. I'm not telling you to not drink. I'm just telling you to cut back. Control your consumption. See, alcohol is a dehydrator. So naturally, it's going to suck up all the moisture and the hydration from your skin. So this is why the next day you look all dull, worn out. And the more you do it, the worse and worse your skin looks. Not to mention the weight gain problems and a myriad of other issues. Just cutting back on alcohol alone can change how you look. 2, wear a contrasting glass to your face. Most face shape fall into 2 categories. You have the angular ones with the more squared off, shaped off faces, and then you have the circular faces like your oval and your rounds. Well, I want you to, if you want to drastically change your face, wear a glass that contrasts that shape. Let me give you an example. My face shape's a little bit more angular. Therefore, these are our NOMADS from JADE Black. They have more of a circular shape to them. These tend to fit my face shape better and complement the angularity of my face, therefore changing how I look. Not to mention, you'll look like a badass, bro. Like when you walk around with shades, you add a little bit of spice, a little bit of mystery to your look. On the flip side, let's assume your face was more circular, more oval. That's fine. These are our Toms by JADE Black. These are more squared off, more angular, as you can tell, which again complements that circular shape and will end up making you look better. The point is, boys, find the shape of a glass that's opposite to your face shape so it can complement it and therefore change how you look. Matter of fact, don't even look for it. I already looked for them for you. See, the Toms are our most squared off shape. The NOMADS are a more circular shape. Both of these will make you insanely attractive, not to mention they're made with handmade Italian acetate, polarized lenses, starting for around 50 bucks. Like, bro, all right, I'm gonna make it even cheaper for you. These 2, the Toms and the NOMADS, not the entire site, just these 2, I'm gonna do a 25% off discount. That's highway robbery. I'm basically probably gonna lose money on these 2, but I'm gonna hook it up for everybody watching now that wants to look better, especially for summer. Bro, and don't be greedy, right? Father's Day's around the corner. You should buy a pair for your dad too, especially at 25% off. This is a steal. So if you guys want the Toms or the NOMADS, or if you want both, you want a little versatility, yo, I got you. Doesn't matter how many you buy, at the end of the day, if you're buying any of these, I'm gonna have both pairs linked down below. If you use that special code, you're gonna get 25% off. Bro, you should stock up for Father's Day. I'm telling you right now, because that is an insane deal for frames that feel like they were designer frames. If you guys want to check out either of those pairs, they're going to be linked down below. 3, clean your cell phone. You heard me right. Clean your cell phone. Clean your stuff. Your frames, your cell phone, your headphones, anything that goes on your face, I want you to clean it daily, disinfect it. You need to understand that your face is filled with sweat, with bacteria, with dead skin cells. All of this stuff piles up on devices that then you put again on your face, reinfecting your face, causing skin irritation and also acne breakouts. Just cleaning off your devices can drastically change the complexion of your skin so you can look better. 4, whiten teeth. There is science behind this stuff. The most attractive people in the world have a white smile. See, a white smile makes others insinuate that you're just healthier. You're hygienic. You have a hygienic oral routine. Therefore, you need to be trying to get that white smile. Now, one of the best and most effective ways, obviously just white strips. You can add this to your oral routine. Do this once a week for a month. I promise you, you will be 2 to 3 shades lighter. Your teeth are going to look brighter and your smile is going to make you look more attractive. 5, I want you to work out daily. You heard me right. Every day I want you to do something physical, even if it's as light as going for a walk. You should be lifting weights. You should be going on the bike. You should maybe pick up a sport. Do something physical. On top of losing the fat, building a muscular physique, making clothes look better on you, the extra blood flow that you're going to be pumping through your body is vital to nourish skin cells and keep your complexion and overall appearance looking its best. Ultimately takes us to number 6, change your hairstyle. The reason I do this stuff, the reason I gave you these tips is because I apply them on myself first, bro. Your boy buzzed his hair. It makes a drastic difference. And yeah, there's gonna be a couple people that might not like it, right? Because people are uncomfortable with change. You can't be uncomfortable with change. I want you to change your hairstyle. And I'm not telling you to buzz it. If you want to, go for it. But if you don't, switch it up. Do a side part, do a slick back, then do an undercut, then do a taper, then do a full grow out your hair, maybe try a mullet. Like, there's so many different styles for you to give a shot. And the best thing you can do, talk to your barber, ask him what hairstyle suits your head shape best, and rock that. Bro, most men start losing their hair in their 30s, which means now is your time to shine. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget, if you want the Toms or the Nomads at 25% off, bro, they're going to be linked down below. That's it for your boy. See you next time.